Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new story. We usually learn a story about different types of stories we study, right? Today we are going to learn the story of the road. आपको ऐसा लगता होगा कि आज रोड की स्टोरी हम लर्न करेंगे, स्टडी करेंगे. यस, रोड की भी स्टोरी होती है. तो हम रोड की स्टोरी आज हम देखेंगे, रीड करेंगे. Okay, what it says, even on the road also. What do you mean by the word road? Road means what? It is a place where we walk, vehicles run. It is where we walk, where the vehicles run. All these are called road. So we are going to study today the story of the road. What it says, the road is quiet in the early morning, but as soon as the sun rises in the sky, birds and animals wake up and they start making different types of sounds. When the night is there, the road becomes quiet till early morning. You don't find too much of noise on the road, but as soon as the sun rises in the sky, birds and animals wake up and they start making different types of sounds. Then people begin their movement, and you will slowly see early morning few people go for a walk. They go to take newspaper or for any other milk or something like that. We find few people early morning walking on the road. The newspaper boy, the vegetable man, the school going children all come on the road. The road becomes busy. It is wide awake now. Again the road has become busy and it is wide awake now. Now we'll read once again this poem. Understand? तड़के सुबह सड़कें शांत होती है. Right? What it means कि road is quiet. सड़कें is quiet during the अर्ली मॉर्निंग, लेकिन जैसे ही आकाश में सूरज निकलता है पक्षी और जानवर उठ जाते हैं और तरह तरह की ध्वनियाँ निकलने लगती है. When sun rises, you will find first of all the noise of the birds chirping in the sky, in the trees. उसके बाद लोग भी अपनी गतिविधियों शुरू कर देते हैं. What happened? The public also, the people also start doing their activity. अखबार वाला, सब्जी वाला, स्कूल जाने वाले बच्चे सभी सड़क पर आ जाते हैं. सड़क व्यस्त हो जाती है, वह अच्छी तरह से जाग जाती है. Now we'll read the poem. The story of the road. It is early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. Now what is describing? It is describing early morning situation of the road. That early morning the road is asleep. It is very quiet. Now listen, but listen. The birds are calling softly. Chirp, 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 say the sparrows. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Ka, 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 says the crow. Ka, 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 wake up, wake up. Now early morning when the sun rises slowly, here the sparrows are trying to make you wake up. Even the crows are saying ke wake up, ut jao. Here is someone else now. Tring-a-ling, it is a newspaper boy. Now you can see over here children, crow is telling to get up, even the sparrow is telling you to get up. Now you can see a newspaper boy. Where is he walking? He is driving a cycle and he is having a little bell. And what he is doing? He is tring-a-ling, means he is ringing the bell. It is a sound of a newspaper boy. Now I will go to the next page. Tring-a-ling, says his bicycle. What sound does his bicycle make? Tring-a-ling, says his bicycle. Tring-a-ling, tring-a-ling, wake up. Chirp, 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 says the sparrows. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Ka, ka, says the crow. Wake up. Now you can see over here the bicycle make a sound of tring-a-ling when the bicycle rings. The sound of the bicycle, the ringing of the bicycle indicates, it tells to wake up. Again the sparrow is saying, ut jao, wake up, wake up. Even the crow is saying, wake up, wake up, wake up. Right? Now, who is this coming now? Is this vegetable man? Right. Now you can see over here who is walking on the road. Now it is a vegetable man. Who is it? It is a vegetable man. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbage, says the vegetable man. What is he having in his cart? You can see it is having cauliflowers are there, peas are there, vegetables are there. Potatoes, cucumber, radish, carrots. What he is having? He is having potatoes, cucumbers, radish, carrot. Ka, says the crow again, wake up. So you can see over the crow is again telling to wake up. Chirp, chirp, says the sparrow. So you can see the sparrow is telling to get up. Trum, 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 chatter, chatter, chatter. Who are these? Trum, 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 chatter, chatter, chatter. Who are these? Now see, you can see, first you heard the sound of a bird's, crow and sparrow is telling to make you get up. Then you heard the newspaper boy who is ringing his bell from the cycle. Tring-a-ling, he is telling to wake up. Then you heard the vegetable man. He is shouting. कि fresh vegetables are there. And what is in his cart? उसके जो कार्ट में कौन से वेजिटेबल्स है वो भी बोल रहा है. He is having potatoes, cucumber, radish, carrot, peas, cauliflower, cabbage. कौन से वेजिटेबल्स वेजिटेबल मैन लेके आया है वो भी वो बता रहा है कि ये सब वेजिटेबल्स मेरे कार्ट में है. Now you can see over here. They are children going to school. अभी हमने आवाज़ सुनी थी ना, ट्रम ट्रम ट्रम, चैटर चैटर चैटर. Who are these? कौन थे वो? कौन किसकी आवाज़ है? They are children going to school. Chatter 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 talks the school children. आप भी बातें करते हो ना अब जब स्कूल जाते हो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, राइट? और स्कूल बस की आप राह देखते हो. यू मस्ट बी वेटिंग फॉर द स्कूल बस. So you must be talking with your friends near till your bus comes. Tram, 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 go their shoes. Shoes की भी आवाज़ आती है. Tram, tram, tram. Peas, carrot, cabbage calls the vegetable man. फिर से vegetable man की आवाज़ आ रही है. वो क्या आवाज़ दे रहा है कि peas है, carrots है, cabbage है, right? Chirp, 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 says the sparrow. Sparrow की आवाज़ फिर से शुरू हुई. का का का, says the crow. क्रो ने फिर से आवाज़ दी का के वेक अप. फिर का वेक अप. वेक अप आस्क द रोड. फिर रोड ने फिर क्या कहा? वेक अप. कांट यू सी यू फुलिश बर्ड, आई एम वाइड अवेक. उठ जाओ, सड़क ने वीर से कहा. क्या तुम देख नहीं सकते मूर्ख पक्षी, मैं तो अच्छी तरह जग गई हूँ. राइट. Now again and again the crow is telling to wake up to the road also, right, and to everyone. But the road got angry and what he said to the road कि I am already awake, मैं उठ गई हूँ. और उससे कहती है कि आप देख नहीं सकते, मैं तो कब से जग चुकी हूँ. I am wide awake. Once again we will read the poem, children. The story of the road. It is early morning, the road is asleep. It is early morning, the road is asleep. Everything is quiet, but listen. The birds are calling softly. Chirrup, 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 says the sparrow. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. Ka, 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 says the crow. Ka, 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 wake up. Here is someone else now. Tring-a-ling, it is the newspaper boy. Tringling, tringling, says his bicycle. Tringling, again wake up. Chirrup, 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 says the sparrow. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Caw, 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 says the crow. Wake up. Who is this coming now? It is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflower, cabbages, says the vegetable man. Potatoes, cucumber, radishes, carrots. Caw, says the crow again. Caw, says the crow again. Chip, 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 says the sparrow. Trum, 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 chatter, chatter, chatter. Who are these? Who are these? They are children going to school. Chatter, 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 talks the children. Tramp, 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 go their shoes. Peas, carrot, cabbages, calls the vegetable man. Chirp, 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 says the sparrow. Caw, 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 says the crow. Wake up. Caw, 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 says the crow. Caw, 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 wake up. Wake up, asks the road. Can't you see, you foolish bird? I'm wide awake. Now we'll read the new words. Newspaper, cucumber, cabbage, potatoes, radish, cauliflower, foolish. Now we'll go to the next page. The exercise we are going to do over here. Reading is fun. What sounds do you hear on the road in the morning? What sounds do you hear in the morning? We hear the sounds of birds, newspaper boy, vegetable man, school going children, etc. on the road. Second, what is the vegetable man selling? The vegetable man is selling different types of vegetables such as peas, cauliflowers, potatoes, radish, carrots, cabbage. Why is the road annoyed with the crow? The road is annoyed with the crow because he is waking up the road again and again. But the reality is that the road is already wide awake. The road is already wide awake. Now we'll go to this exercise. Use can, cannot alternately in the following sentences. What we have to do? We have to use can, cannot in the sentences which is given below. First one, dash hear the sound of cars. So what will you write? I dash hear the sound of cars. So what will you write? I can. C-A-N, can. Then 2 number, I dash see, I dash hear the train whistle. So what you will write? I cannot. What will you write? I can not hear the train whistle. Then next, I dash hear the wind blow. So what will you write? I can hear the wind blow. Then I dash hear the clock. I cannot hear the clock. I dash hear the sound of it. I can hear the sound of it. I cannot hear the sound of moving chairs. I cannot hear the sound of the moving chairs. I can hear the dogs barking. I can hear the dogs barking. So once again we will read all the sentences, children. I can hear the sound of cars. I cannot hear the train whistle. I can hear the wind blow. I cannot hear the clock. I can hear the sound of it. I cannot hear the sound of moving of chairs. I can hear the dogs barking. Okay. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Now over here what we have to do? look at the pictures and write the 4 sentences about it. What you see, you have to look at this picture and you have to write at the 4 sentences what you can see. So first we'll see the picture. It is a picture of a road, right? Of a road. Now what you see on the road? Zebra crossing is there first. Then you can see vehicles, small and big, moving on the road. Then you can see a green colored tree is there. Then you can see over here sea is there, river is there, right? Now we will describe the picture. Okay children, the first is what? It is already done. I can see a tree. See, first one is there, I can see a tree. Now you tell me what else you can see. Come on. Yes, I can see different types of vehicles running on the road, right? Then the third one, I can see a zebra crossing. See, you can see no zebra crossing. So you'll write I can see zebra crossing. What can you see? Zebra crossing, right? Then the fourth one is what? Last, I can see a bird. Yes, a bird is also there. So you'll write I can see a bird. And the last one you can write I can see a bird. So children, I hope you have understood this poem, the story of the road, and you have enjoyed also. You must be feeling surprised कि why the story of the road. Even the road also has a story. Did you see in the story how the road it was described? Early morning, birds and animal gets up. Then a newspaper boy comes with a bell ringing on his cycle. Then you saw vegetable man selling vegetables fresh. Then you read school children going to school. They are making noise of the shoes they are walking. They are making the noise of what they are talking, chatter they are talking. And again the crow is telling the road to get up. People all are got up, they are busy in their activity, everyone. But the bird crow is thinking that the road is still sleeping. The road is still sleeping. So again the crow is telling to the road to wake up. And in the last, the road got so much angry. The road told to the crow that you don't have to wake me up, I've already wide awake. Okay children, so I hope you have understood the poem. Please write this poem in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting and complete this exercise in your English textbook. Thank you.